Hi, I am Vishal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video too, we have got two amazing speed paint from the awesome book Watercolor in Nature by Rosalie Haizlett. So let me show you the two paintings that I have for today's video. We have got this Land Snail and then we have this Red Eft Salamander. This one was pretty easy and the Land Snail took a little bit more time comparatively, but it was very beautiful. Now let me show you the paintings. So first we have the salamander, and then we have the Land Snail. So this is very beautiful. It has so many tiny and minute details, as well as the colors are vibrant. So I love this one. Now enjoy the speed paint and the music.
Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Treat them right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Treat them right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Tell yours if you want. You're doing right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Tell yours if you want. You're right, somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say. Tell yours if you want. You're alright, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Tell yours if you want. Alright, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
Thank you for watching the whole video. To let me know that you have finished it, just comment black lizard or black snail. So let me show you the other paintings that I have made, variations of the salamander, and then we have a complete blue land snail. So these are the two other paintings that I'll be sharing the speed paint soon. And I have one more painting that is quite big, and we have got a bigger variation, a big land snail. So here I experimented with the oil pastel instead of using the white, but it did not turn out that good. In her original book, in the book she only says that you have to use only 8 colors and you can create all the paintings, but I was not able to mix color properly, so I decided to use white, black and few more other colors. So that's all for today's video. Peace.